Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can add multiple print areas on a single product. So here I have added only one print area for this product. So if I add a text on it, so you can see that here we have only one print area and this is its print area. So if we want to change that, we can do that by simply click on this advanced settings option. Now simply click on print area. Here we have to click on this change or upload button under this print area section. So if we click on this button, we have to upload custom shape print area. Now I have already created 4 print areas by using Photoshop. If I upload this, now we have to adjust these 4 print areas. Now we have to click the save button. Now if we go to the design lab and reload the page, here if we add text on it, so we can see that we already have 4 print areas. Now here I can add any text, I can add any clipboards, I can even add my own artwork on another section. So this way we can add multiple print areas on a single product. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.